What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let the intro roll and then we shall start.
What's up guys, welcome back. इतना लगा दिया था नोट चल नहीं रहे
The reason I'm making this video is to update you about UAE's travel ban extension. Now, you can see it on the screen that UAE extends suspension on flights from India till June 30 to curb virus spread. This ban actually initially started on April 24. As you know, my last video I had explained to you that international ban on flights from India will remain ineffective on UAE route because I explained to you they have an air bubble with India. But now UAE has again extended the ban to curb they want India's virus spread. Okay, it relaxes, and over there also, though they are having less cases, even they are trying to, fasten everything and get everything in control, their internal situation, and then open for Indian passengers. It's as simple. Now guys, if you are in a hurry, आपको कैसे भी जाना है, okay, so here I'm providing you three basic solutions. The first is, okay, you need to have a valid visa. Now you have to be outside India for 14 days. Now what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is if you're in India right now, pack your bags and leave to some other country that allows Indian passengers. Many people are going to Thailand now. I think even they have stopped flights. Singapore, Vietnam, even I think they have also banned flights, and few are going to Oman, Saudi Arabia, and Armenia, Georgia. All these countries, they are living there for 14 days and then they are entering UAE with a valid visa. Now you can do this. It is a bit expensive, but if you want to enter UAE as soon as possible, if it's your priority, you have to anyway get there, then I would recommend you that please, I'm sorry for my hair, I had gone out to get myself vaccinated, but the place was full, so I thought I should come home and give you this update as soon as possible. I don't want you to be late. I want to break the news in front of you. Okay, so if you have a valid visa, you're worried that my visa is getting expired in this period, or I am outside UAE for 6 months, you don't have to worry. I've left a link in the description box below. Just click on that link. You can request for your return entry permit. Yes, drop a like over here because I think the videos I've seen, no one has updated you with this, not even the UAE government, but I'm telling you this, that you can now apply for your return entry permit if you have a valid stamped visa. Now yeah, you can do that, and your visa will be your return entry permit will validate your entry on behalf of your visa. Now guys, third, if you have an entry permit, now this is the problem with every individual, most of the individuals. I cancelled my old visa and I've applied for my new visa. You get that 2 months entry permit for that visa, entry permit, and that got expired. I contacted my university, I even paid the extension fee, but no information has come. So guys, I would request you to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because as soon as I get any information on entry permit extension, I will be putting on a video or simply put it on my Instagram story. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I hope all of you are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Once this lockdown relaxes, I'm going to take my camera, show you the outside world, because I'm not used to being in a closed house and keep talking. I want you to see the outside world, okay, when I'm vlogging, showing you different things. And once guys I land in Dubai, crazy content has been planned for you. Apartments, rent, sightseeing, jobs, what not guys, everything. And if I don't like Dubai, I'll be shifting to new places, only international things, just for you guys. Keep supporting, like, comment, subscribe, and like guys, because if you like, similar audience will be getting to see this video, and I will be motivated to make such content for you. Thank you guys. Namaskar. Stay home, stay safe.